Today he's going to cook gummy bears.
This is how I cook gummy bears.
Okay, what are the ingredients? What are the ingredients?
The ingredients are gummy bears. Yeah, and we put fire and milk.
Okay.
We turn on the heat. We first put it like this. This. You do not want to drop the gummy bear. You could put another gummy bear in front of it, so it wouldn't drop.
Okay, turn on.
Now it's time to
Turn on
see
fire.
doing bear when I turn on the heat.
More. Okay.
Okay, let's see. You see the heat is on. Let's see. I think that is going to bear. What is going to happen? Let's see doing bear. Okay. You see, I was trying to put it up, but it did not work. But the red is just bad. It's the goodest you could try. When you try, you learn stuff from it. Look it. Try. Look at that. Turn on the heat. Yep. And you will get so happy days. You will be best as you eat. Now it's the goodest as it could be. Look at it. You want to do it? It gets stick to your spoon. I don't think you put it on. You need to melt the whole thing. That's when it's good. Now let's turn it off. You want to make it overheated?
I get a smell.
You see, when I touch it, it comes something like
Smells like
this.
fine sugar.
Oh, it does.
I think that is good enough.
Oh yeah. Now it's
Now
time to turn
lower
it
the
off.
fire. Okay.
Look good. Let's mix it, right? Mix it. Let's take that to the red a little. Take it. Now it's good. It's going to be tasty. Hey, yo. Tasty. That's the color. When you mix it, it comes a different color when you overheat it. I overheat it because I like it. It's pasteurized and that is there. And the tea. You see, it got a little bit green here. You want to what? This is the goodest this video I ever done.
You wanna try that? You wanna eat it? Try.
Eat it. Or I could hurt your butt. Eat it. It's my turn. When you eat it, it's like candy corn. No, it does. No, it tastes like candy corn. Because it tastes like candy corn. You want to try it so you could taste like candy corn. You want to try a little bit candy corn? You can put gummy bears and heat it.
You try to give some to Mali. I thought.
the heat and do like sides like this. You're low than 8. You could ask your mom or dad to do it with. They say to do something. You could take a picture of this video. Goodbye.
Okay, that's it.